That's one of them nights, man. You know, we know Minnesota. They got us twice. Once here before, once on their home court. You know, that's a team that don't quit. They play hard. Everybody play hard. As you can see tonight, the way that they attack the offensive glass is very impressive, 1 through 5. But I'm just glad we got this win. We needed it, and we pulled it out at the end. It's day to day. It's really day to day, depending on who we playing. You know, I go off a feel of my teammates and see how, you know, what they doing out there, what's working, what's not working. I think the beauty of being in my position and coming off the bench, when I do, I get to see how the game and what the game is doing, you know, the flow of the game, who's doing what the defenses is doing, how we working and moving the ball offensively. So I get a chance to just observe that for a couple of minutes. And so by the time I come in the game, I'm mentally, I already know kind of what's going on, what I need to do. And, you know, my role changes, man. Whatever I need to do, I'm going to do it. I don't have no problem with that.